Obtain compliance with Cirtex Silt Fence. Without silt fence, rain washes sediment into nearby drains. Introducing the SiltFence Kit, a complete certified pack. Including easy-to-follow installation guidelines. Start by digging a trench 200mm deep and 200mm wide. Drive timber stakes 200mm into the trench, 400mm below the original ground. Space each timber stake no more than 2 meters apart. Tie the Danline rope around the first stake and hold in place with a staple. Pull the Danline tight and staple it to all stakes 600mm above ground. Install silt fence against the side of the timber stakes and across the bottom of the trench. Fold the top of the silt fence over the Danline and attach SiltFence pins. Backfill the trench and compact firmly. As rain washes the sediment and water towards the fence, the silt fence allows the water to flow through while containing sediment.